For over 100 years, we've supported global clients in regulated industries as a leading control panel supplier. Our work starts with design, using Creo, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, ePlan and EngraveLab 11 to ensure precision. Our capabilities span mechanical, electrical and precision manufacturing design. Precision is at the core of our fabrication shop. It all starts with our state-of-the-art laser cutter, operated by a highly skilled LB Foster team, who monitor every stage with expert care. This advanced technology delivers exceptional speed and efficiency, producing clean, burr-free edges with consistent accuracy. The system handles complex geometries with ease, cutting intricate shapes to exact specifications and ensuring every component perfectly matches the digital design. Next in the process, the formed components move to our powerful press brakes, where flat, precision-cut sheets are transformed into complex geometries. These machines deliver tremendous forming force, but it's the skill of our operators that ensures every bend is accurate, repeatable, and perfectly aligned with the digital design. Each part is carefully positioned, checked, and measured throughout the forming cycle. Our team monitors material behavior and tolerances, making real-time adjustments where needed to maintain absolute accuracy. It's a seamless blend of cutting-edge automation and expert craftsmanship. As every angle and contour takes shape, the pieces begin to form the building blocks of the final assembly. In the welding bay, the process moves from precision-cut and carefully formed components to the hands of our highly skilled LB Foster welders. Here, craftsmanship and experience play a crucial role. Every corner, seam and intricate intersection is joined with deliberate accuracy, ensuring the structural integrity of each assembly. Even the smallest detail matters. Every component we produce begins right here in Nottingham, where our manufacturing team combines traditional engineering expertise with the latest advancements in technology. One of the key tools supporting this precision is our 3D printing capability. Using modern additive manufacturing techniques, we create highly accurate parts that would be difficult or even impossible to produce with conventional methods. These custom-engineered components play a vital role in enhancing safety, ensuring greater reliability, and supporting the long-term performance of our control panels. From prototypes to production-ready elements, each printed part is designed to meet exact specifications and integrate seamlessly into the wider assembly. It's this focus on detail, innovation, and consistency that helps us deliver products that are built to last. From intricate circuit boards to specialized connectors and interface modules, our electrical build is completed by LB Foster's expert team, who assemble wiring, install instruments, and perform thorough testing to ensure everything works flawlessly. Engraved panel tiles are then carefully inked by hand and spray painted using specialized coating techniques. This process ensures that every marking remains crisp, durable, and easy to read, even after years of heavy daily use. From initial design through final coating, LB Foster's focus on precision and quality ensures our control panels are engineered for long-term reliability and consistent performance.